Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shazwan Husna binti Osman Adik. My matric number A20A1842. For this presentation, I will explain the name of our business, which is Crispylicious Popiah. Crispylicious Popiah is a company that sells milk, food which is a Popiah crispy with a various choice and taste. Among the flavor are Nestum, cheese powder and tom yum. We also have our tagline for our business, which is keep on snacking, that demonstrate the company approach is for customer to get the snack with the premium taste. Next is the nature of business. Crispylicious Popiah is a retail business that produces consumer product. Crispylicious Popiah is a manufacturing industry that does the activity in processing ingredient, packaging and shipping the product from supplier to retail outlet, agent and dropship. Crispylicious Popiah decided to establish a processing factory and mini warehouse in Ampang with the support of 2 branches in Shah Alam and Bangi. Our company chose this site because we believe it has a potential marketplace for customers who are interested to get our product. Meanwhile, this business consists of 6 members and our sustainability mission to ensure that Crispylicious Popiah product get the attention of customer by innovating in terms of taste. We also plan to produce 10,000 units of bottle at the beginning of the launch, and this to make a product seems exclusive. Lastly, to get more details about our product, customer can go through to look and buy at our social media like TikTok and Instagram. So that's all from me. I will pass to my next team member. Thank you.
My name is Siti Farah Aina binti Ilyas. My matric number A20A1954. Following are the roles in organization structure. First, Ms. Fazana as the Chief Executive Officer, responsible for the overall success of the company. Next, the Chief Operating Officer, Ms. Shazwani, as the Corporate Executive who will oversee ongoing business operations within the company. Furthermore, Head of Marketing, Ms. Farahin, who will manage the market research, advertising the product, and sales promotion to make sure our customer familiar with our product. Besides, the Head of Operation and Logistics, Ms. Farah Aina, who will take the responsibility in product development, design, quality assurance, and control the supply chain. Plus, Head of Human Resources, Ms. Amira, is to monitor the achievement and provide the training to the employees. Lastly, Head of Finance, Ms. Erna, is responsible in controlling the fund management, capital requirement, and credits. Next, product offered. We introduce our product in 3 different flavors, which are Nestum, cheese and tom yum. The first flavor, which is Nestum, are very suitable for children and people who like a mild and sweet snack. This product is made of mainly deep fried crispy popiah skin as a base, Nestum powder, milk powder and sugar. Next flavor is cheese. As usual, deep fried crispy popiah skin as a base, cheese powder, chili powder and sugar. Lastly, tom yum. It's sweet, spicy and has a strong spice flavor to it because it's made of tom yum seasoning powder, chili powder, black pepper powder and sugar. We really put in so much effort to keep the flavor as authentic as possible.
Then we move to the 7th strategic decision of operation management.
Quality management is the act of overseeing operation and duties to ensure consistent products and service as well as the means used to produce them. To compete, firm must produce high quality goods and service that meet customer needs. Total quality management is the process of ensuring that goods and service meet customer criteria and are the adequate quality. A firm that focuses on customer happiness, staff involvement, and continual development should adhere to TQM principles. Among of the important of TQM are companies use TQM to ensure they meet customer demands in order to make money. For example, as a result, Crispylicious Popiah allows consumers to evaluate the quality by selecting and offering excellent popiah skin for use in cake and other baked goods. Second is TQM requires each employee's commitment to involvement in the company. The manager of Crispylicious Popiah must convey the importance of quality to the employees and encourage them to focus on customer satisfaction in order to improve product quality. This is not only the responsibility of the manufacturer's quality control department, but also of every employee involved in the design, production and delivery. The last one is continuous improvement. Crispylicious Popiah strives to improve the design, production and delivery of goods and service to increase efficiency, reduce costs and improve customer satisfaction. Employees and employers must strive to improve the quality of Popiah skin products to attract customers. Next is process and capacity design. Process and capacity design is the process of determining production capacity needed to meet demand for a product. Capacity planning is the ability of a system to produce output within a specific time period, while management capacity is the amount of input resources available to produce relative output over time. The maximum amount of work an organization can accomplish is an effective capacity. The most important details in capacity planning are to increase capacity in anticipation of increased demand, reduce cost and stock, and use the time function map to identify the time-consuming pace of the process. This strategy is used to improve service level, reduce downtime, and reduce cost and stock. For example, Crispylicious Popiah used the time function map to identify the time-consuming pace of the process.
Location strategy. A truly comprehensive localization strategy analyzes detailed market information and always use label data to show the cost, availability and affordability of the company workplace, like AFS2083. The location of the company is the right place is one of best decisions that determine the success of the company. Namely, if the company chooses the wrong places, it can be difficult for customer, employee, delivery and transportation for goods. For our business, Crispylicious Popiah, we choose Ampang, Selangor as the location business. Next, factor that affect location decision. First, politic risk, value and culture. Politic risk is linked to the current stage of the government that rules the country and state. The current situation of the government when determining the location of the business may not last if the government experiences political problem. On the other hand, if the government is under control, it will help businesses to increase the sale. Crispylicious Popiah business may find that such thing can influence leadership. Employee value may also be different from each other, such as value will make Crispylicious Popiah to be the business location. Second, proximity to supply. Crispylicious Popiah is located near to the supplier area. This is intended to facilitate the operation of the management product that produced continuously and not suffer from the problem of the insufficient supply of raw material. When it closes the production area, it can save the cost of transportation and delivery of goods. Third is a priority of the market. For most businesses, finding an area close to the customer, it is important element of running the business. For example, of business that often find places where customers are focused, like cafe, resident area, or pharmacies. So, Crispylicious Popiah find that it's very useful to stay in the hotspot of many customers. Layout strategy. Layout strategy is a key decision of determining long-term operation efficiency because it sets the organization competitive priority with respect to capacity, process, flexibility, and cost. An effective layout can help an organization to achieve its objective and can increase profit and reduce the cost. The strategy objective of the layout is to develop an effective and efficient layout to meet the needs of business. Therefore, this layout strategy is very important to start the business. We implement a layout that is suitable for the type of business that will be conducted because this business involves all aspects including security and transport of goods from supplier. In the layout strategy also have total equipment usage. Total equipment usage is the use of complete equipment is allowed by the process of layout. Second is improved supervision. the specialization of each organization is possible to track reliability and standard. Next is the relation. It is more versatile than product layout. Change and adjustment can be carried out without distributing the existing layout of the business. The last one is no production stop. If any system is damaged, it will not cause of any process to stop. This is because if the part has a problem, it can be replaced with other part have the same or almost the same function.
My name is Siti Nofarain binti Muhammad Yusof. My metric number is A20A1977. Today I will present about managing inventory for Crispylicious Popiah company. There are problem recognition in managing the inventory. The first one is dead stock. It is when the company has more inventory than it needs or when certain items become unwanted or unnecessary. To avoid dead stock, Crispylicious Popiah determine the quantity of raw materials consumed regularly. It can establish a consistent ordering system. Next, storage costs. It refers to expenses associated with storing inventory. When inventory accumulates or selling products when in storage, this cost increase. It will help predict which goods are selling well and which ones are not. There are suggestions for effective inventory management, which is the first one is track all product information, which is stock keeping units, barcode data, sellers, countries of origin and lot numbers. They can make informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date data. Prioritize inventory. It provides valuable insight into which goods require more frequent ordering and which are vital to the business, so it can better manage their stock and ensure efficient inventory control. Next, scheduling. Scheduling issues in Crispylicious Popiah is shortage of materials. Crispylicious Popiah has limited availability of wrapping paper, so they need to use an inventory management system to monitor wrapping paper stock levels and reorder in a timely manner. Besides that, Crispylicious Popiah also have issues in overtime and illness. Scheduling must consider unexpected increases in demand, production delays, and employee illness or absence. Setting limits on work hours and uses a scheduling system that considers employee availability to minimize negative impact. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Fazana binti Arifi and my metric number is A2OB1336. So I would like to present my part, which is a maintenance. It is a practice of effectively managing our resource and access to the self-information technology industry is known as maintenance management. The success of our business depends on how well our maintenance department operates. There are two of the problems that have been recognized from this maintenance, which first is cost planning and control, where it has ability to forecast and control costs in crucial project management capability. Cost control will reduce waste throughout project implementation. For the second problem is unexpected breakdown. Machine and equipment breakdown are always be costly. There are 4 suggestions on this problem of maintenance, which first is centralized tracking. It is think about upgrading to monitoring on software that include automatic reordering and procurement features. Next is preventing control. It is used to stop management strategy to handle problem inventory. The third one is run-to-run failure. It's 4 assets that offer minimal safety risk and have a little influence on output. The last one is predictive maintenance. To execute asset maintenance will be determined using monitoring technology depending on the asset condition. So in the conclusion, operation management impact the overall productivity and process in the business. The importance of applying this in study because it helps the company to achieve the mission and vision. Lastly, the operation management can be applied in our life as it has grown and become strategy over the corporate world. Thank you.